Hey everybody, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some cleaning, cooking, and a little bit of like a what I eat in a day for breakfast and lunch and just how I get my day started. And I'm so excited because this video is sponsored by Reserve. The Reserve has the world's finest super powders to supercharge you. The Reserve has organic matcha, greens, mushrooms, superfood blends, collagen, and more. It's always fresh and third-party tested, and quality is key, and the customer service is amazing. So excited to use these. I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about them. We're going to get our breakfast started and we're going to get our day going. To my oatmeal, the blue spirulina and elderberry super powder. Both are high in antioxidants. They balance mood and immune and inflammation support. I love personally that the blue spirulina has no taste whatsoever, so I can add it to things like smoothies, oatmeal, pancakes, muffins, drinks, all different sorts of varieties of foods and beverages, and I'm getting all of the nutritional value that I need without compromising the taste. And it's similar to the elderberry powder as well. It does have a little bit of an elderberry flavor, which I personally love, but I can add it to so many different things. So I'm never going to get bored, and I'm always going to get the nutrition that I need. So along with my breakfast of oatmeal with my super powders included in them, I'm going to be using the maca powder, which I absolutely love because it is full of natural energy. It helps mood balance, and I just love it. It has a little nutty flavor and it tastes amazing. And then I'm also going to be taking my elderberry gummies just to help once again with that immune support. And then I actually also have some spray-on hand sanitizer from the Reserve that I like to put in my purse. That way I can stay safe when I'm out and about. If you want to supercharge your mornings and throughout the day, I highly encourage you to check out the Reserve. The link will be in the description box down below. This is good for 1 month, and you're going to get 50% off of all the products except for the super box. So definitely check out the description box below, and I'll also add the link to the comment pinned in the comment section. And if you can't find that either, just let me know and I'll help you out. Alright y'all, so I've had my oatmeal and my coffee for breakfast, and I got the crock pot ready for what we're eating for dinner. And so I'll show you all that later, but this kitchen is an absolute disaster. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. Hopefully this portion of the video is super motivating for y'all.
You got me dancing in a storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Crashing into all the situations. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
Alright, y'all, we're in my bedroom and it is also a mess. It's already like 1 p.m. and I have not even made my bed yet. So let's go ahead and tidy up our bedrooms. Clean up your bedroom with me if you haven't already today.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
My bedroom is straightened up. Things are starting to look better in the house. I still need to vacuum and pick up the living room floor a little bit, and then I also need to vacuum the kitchen, and then I'm going to show y'all what we are having for, well, what I'm having for lunch, and then we'll get to cleaning. I'm going to clean my bathroom, and then I'll show you what we're having for dinner.
I'll be going away for a while.
Alright, so I was so full from our breakfast, which was the oatmeal and the coffee with the reserves maca powder in it, that I just did not eat lunch. So I'm actually going to show y'all what we're having for dinner, which is what we call supper here in North Carolina. What do y'all call it? Dinner or supper?
I'm on my way now. was on its way out. I wasn't sober and I was thinking out loud.
Alright, it's dinner time and I wanted to show y'all what we're having tonight. So this has been going in my crock pot all day on high and it is a chicken taco chili. That's what I'm calling it. But it has shredded chicken breast, and I put those in there whole, and they just shredded up as they cooked. There is Spanish rice in here, corn, diced tomatoes, black beans, and green bell peppers, poblano peppers, lots of taco seasoning, some garlic seasoning as well, and then I put some lime juice in here to top it off. Oh, and there's some little tiny I diced up some mushrooms and put in here, which they'll probably can't even taste them now. Aaron doesn't like mushrooms, but this is so good. This is what we're having for dinner. I can't wait to eat it. Alright, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to check out the Reserve. Their link will be down below, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!